Some real-world testing today with my new Carpuride Apple Carplay that has replaced my Garmin Zumo XT GPS. This thing does everything. It's a huge 7-inch screen. It tucks in quite nicely behind my windshield, as you can see. It's a beautiful non-glare screen, waterproof. Got Google Maps up right now. My phone is in my saddlebag, protected. Very responsive touchscreen. Big bright colors. Music sounds very good. It has its own built-in equalizer. I didn't do an install video because it was just so simple. 2-wire hookup. One to the ground, one to the accessory wire off of the front of the bike. Phone calls were great. When the phone call was finished, the music came back on. Got it hooked up to my iPhone 13. It took a little to get properly hooked up by Bluetooth, but I got it sorted out. The support system people for this, even though they take a day to respond, sent me the right information the first time after they determined what model and system I have. So no complaints there. Their solution worked. I used my existing mount, which is a ram ball mount on the Le Monster Garage adapter. It fits right in. It looks like it belongs to me. And what else can I say? They're reasonably priced. They're solid. They give you a lot of information at your fingertips, just like any other CarPlay deal. But if you go there, what's really nice is there's the Phobo automatically tied in with real-time air pressure. So that's an added bonus that came along for the ride. Real pleased with that. And we can go back to Google Maps or thereabouts. Playing Pandora for music. Yeah, everything's working great. So worthwhile investment. Carpuride, they come in a 5-inch model. This is the 7-inch. Maybe I could have gotten away with the 5-inch. Only time will tell. But since it blends right in, doesn't block anything, there's no view of mine that's blocked. So I think this is a great choice if I'm going to be doing some traveling and need to pay attention to maps. This beautiful large screen is certainly a great way to go. No regrets whatsoever. Looks like might be a wreck way up ahead. Good thing I'm turning. Just want to get home before the crazy school bus traffic gets out, which is almost coming up. But I wanted you to see some real-time observations of the Carpuride Apple Carplay. Love it. Worthwhile investment. I wound up paying less than $200 for it, so I think mine was $180 something with the coupons and discounts that they had going on. You just got to look around for them. And yeah, so far so good. Y'all take care.